No bras were harmed in the making of this video. Like, today is one of those chill days. Listen, your girl didn't even put no makeup on, okay? I mean, I threw a little lipstick on and some lashes just for you guys. Hey fam, the word of encouragement for today is, you are the light of the world. A town built on a hill cannot be hidden. What's up fam? It's your girl Shareen Nicole and I am back with another video. Yes honey. So in this video, we're going to be seeing these bras that I got from HSIA. So stay tuned. I'm super happy because I got another collaboration with HSIA. I will leave the links down below for these bras because honey, these are it. Now, if y'all know, I already did a video before on HSIA, and those bras, they fit really well. So the last bras that I got were a 42 triple D. So this time I asked to receive my proper size, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look and see how it fits. Ciao, but before we do, I gotta put y'all on to what I'm drinking. What's up fam? Have you been feeling like this lately? Because I know I have. And if you have I got something new for you, baby? Yes, it is called Javy Coffee. That's right, Javy, not Java, okay? So right here, I'm just showing you the ingredients on the bottle, how many calories it has, which is awesome. And it's really, really quick and easy to make your coffee. We're about to demonstrate that right now. Like, it was so convenient. The first time I did this, I actually put too much coffee and I was jolted. But listen, fam, it's a really quick way to make your coffee if you're in a rush and you got to go, okay? So I want y'all to check those links in the description box because they will be down below. All right, fam. So this first bra that I'm wearing, I love the colors. It is pink, peachy pink, and I absolutely love it. It does have full coverage. I really love the class detail that it has right here. So you can unhook right from the front. You ain't got to be trying to dig behind your back and get these bras on. You know what I'm saying? I absolutely love it. Do you see that? Like, it's so comfortable. Like, oh my goodness. I absolutely love this. I really like the fact that it has wide straps because, you know, they be digging into your girl, you know what I mean? Here is super soft, super durable, and super comfortable, and it still gives you bouncing room. So let's go ahead and try on a shirt before we get into the next bras, but I will turn around and show you guys the back. I twisted the back. No bras were harmed in the making of this video. I did not realize that I kind of put my bra on backwards. This next bra is kind of like the bra that I'm wearing right now. These are all in a size 38H. It's fully laced. I put it upside down so you guys can see the inside. So it has a little sheer cover right here, which I absolutely love. It kind of almost gives you a boost or a lift, you know? See, you have 4 clasps in the back. I love the wide strapping again. Very durable, very soft, cottony. Like, I wish you guys could feel this. Like, today is one of those chill days. Listen, your girl didn't even put no makeup on, okay? I mean, I threw a little lipstick on and some lashes. Just for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on and I will be right back. So I just wanted to take the time out to show you the back. All right, fam, your girl is back with bra number 2. Like, oh my goodness, when I put this on, I just immediately felt lifted. Like, what? Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Like, I absolutely love this bra. I love the details. I love the lace detailing. I love the under sheer part of the bra, and it is fully covered. You ain't got no spillage, no bulges hanging out. I felt like with the 42 triple D, because it was a 40, you know, the back size was a little loose, causing the girls to go down a little bit. But this is definitely picking your girls up. Like, what? Look at this. Oh my goodness. So you see the backing on this one? This one is sheer and it has a lot of stretch. So I feel like the 38H is true to my size. The H part is definitely true to my size. The 38 part, it feels so much more snug and so much more comfortable. And I love the way this sits here. It's not like constricting or anything like that. And of course, you already know your girl had to hook you up with a coupon code. I'll leave that on the screen so you guys can get 15% off of your bras from HSIA. So this is the inside detailing. I was saying that this one has more like a sheer coverage right here. This one only has the coverage at the bottom. Now, what I like about this is it kind of gives you a lift. I don't know how to explain it without showing you, and I ain't showing you, okay? Put your boob in there, and this band that's down here kind of lifts up your breasts, you know? It just works so well. Look at the patterns. That's so cool. And then the back is cottony as well. It's so nice. It feels so good. Let's go ahead and get back into this bra, because this bra right now is my favorite. Like, your girl is like, yes, honey, you can't say nothing. This bra is definitely it. Lace detailing here, it reminds me of like a bralette. If you ladies already know bralettes and how they have the lace detailing on the bottom, it just makes you feel that much more sexier. Like, this is very romantic. This is very Rome Paris-y. Don't ask me why. I just feel like overly eccentric with this bra. And it's by far my favorite so far. This is very comfortable. Okay, let's go ahead and get into bra number 3, which will be our last bra. But this one is my favorite color, so we're gonna have to see how this one fits on me. And this one as well has a little trim on the bottom, so it might make you feel, you know, really sensual like this one. But so far, we know I like this one. This one as well has 4 rows of hooks and very durable, very stretchy in the back area. So the straps on here are very nice as well, very wide, so it won't be cutting and digging into your skin. That is one thing I will say with HSIA's bras. I hope I'm saying the name right, but that is one thing that I will say about their bras is they're very comfortable as far as the straps are concerned. And I'm so happy and grateful that they are big busted friendly, like so happy. So definitely go check them out. Like I said, the links will be down in the description box. I'll also put my code up again so you guys can go ahead and use my code to get 15% off, okay? Like, I wish you guys could feel this. Like, this is really soft. With this bra, the lace is not itchy at all. I mean, it feels amazing. Like, it feels like you're not even wearing anything, to be honest. Like, 100% honest, okay? It really feels like I'm not wearing anything. Like, I don't have that weight on my shoulders, and I really appreciate that. Like I said, plus size women out there, okay? Plus size women out there, we're gonna get these bras in. Let's go ahead and jump into the last and final bra. Oh, I almost forgot. Before we get into the next bra, let's go ahead and try a t-shirt on and see how this fits and looks under a t-shirt, because that is always the main concern. You know, your bra looks good when you take your clothes off and you're looking all sexy and sensual, and then you put a shirt on to go outside, and this might not be the bra for you. It could be like, you know, I don't know, pointy, pokey looking. I keep thinking I have makeup on. I'm trying not to touch my face. Oh yeah, baby. Hold up, y'all. Hold up. Let's get the hair right. Yes. Yo, so far it is looking really good. I don't know. What do you think? I need y'all to get in these comments and tell me what you think about this bra, because so far I am absolutely loving it. And I even love the details of what it looks like underneath the shirt. So if you are out and about, at least people can see you got a banging bra on, sis, okay? That was so good. I needed to take a sip. So yes, fam, we are back with the last and final bra. Like, this color just does it for me. It really does. Like, I absolutely love blue. Look at the print on this. Do you see this? Oh my goodness. The print on this is phenomenal. Like, this bra is everything. And this part, when I tell y'all, this part feels so good. It's like satin. It's like heaven. Like, it feels so good. Like, I absolutely love the way this bra feels. And once again, guys, the straps are super durable, super thick, non-conforming, like, you know, you're gonna cut into your skin or whatever. Let me go put this down. Hold on. I love the color. I really think blue does something for me. Not that we're wearing these outside without shirts, people, okay? Just to feel good about yourself in your own skin. Feel good about yourself, like while you're walking around the house, your significant other is there, whatever the case may be. This bra is definitely it. If they have the panties to match, I'm getting them. Look how they fit so well. No spillage whatsoever, and I absolutely love that. Like, some of my bras had the spillage, or it was just cut like a little too low right here, and I'm not here for that. So HSIA, thank you once again for sending your girl these bras, because these are definitely it. These are definitely it. All right, fam, let's go ahead and try this shirt on once again to see what this bra is looking like in the shirt. But I have a funny feeling that it's going to look really good. Why? Because look how they're sitting already. Ah! Oh boy, it's looking good. It is looking really good. So with this one, I guess because the color is blue, you can't see it as much. I mean, I'm using the same shirt for demonstrational purposes, so you guys can see how it would look if you did wear a lime green shirt, or maybe, you know, you just want to see what it would look like with a lighter color shirt. Will you be able to see the bra? How does the bra fit from the side profile? I like the way it's looking. It's not pointy. Everything is rounded. I don't have spillage, because there's some bras, honey, the spillage is a real, like, it'd be like, I don't even know how you could describe this, like bubbling out all through here. So now you look like you got 4 biddies. Like, what? We are not here for 4 biddies, okay? We are definitely here for 2, all right? I'm gonna try on the last and final bra with this shirt so we can see what it's looking like. Woo, your girl is back. So this is the first bra that we tried on together, and it's giving sweetheart. So you can definitely wear something more low cut with this, but I absolutely love it. Like, this is amazing. This is really nice. So let me show y'all the side profile so y'all can see what it's looking like. So the side profile looks good. Everything's round. It's not pointy. And I love that. I'm here for that. The back looks good. Everything just looks so good. It even looks good. Oh, sorry, I hit the camera. I'm very happy that I got to work with HSIA again for the bra collaboration. And until next time, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.